Oh. Yes. A warm welcome, Janisa. I really appreciate your interest, Rama. Even at the 11th hour, you are very active. Uh, it's not so easy. I'm very sorry. I'll try to have a bit earlier so that you know you can go to bed early. Moving forward, we are at Le Chatelier's principle, and Le Chatelier's principle deals with again the solubility issue, and we know the French chemist Le Chatelier has proposed a beautiful principle that is applicable to almost all the equilibria and the equilibrium processes, and it states that uh, the system under equilibrium, when subjected to changes in key parameters like temperature, pressure, and concentration, will tend to adjust itself to a new equilibrium so as to nullify the effect of the change. So, Lichardier principle is applicable in many industrial processes when the process parameters like temperature, pressure, and concentration are varied. The uh, parameters like temperature, pressure, and concentration will have an effect on the equilibrium, and the system under stable condition will tend to adjust itself by counteracting so as to nullify the the effect of the change induced by parameters such as temperature, pressure, and concentration. To explain it in a simpler way, for example, in an exothermic reaction has delta H greater than zero, and endothermic reactions have delta H less than zero when the heat evolved. And exothermic reactions are those reactions wherein the heat is evolved. For such reactions, the reduction of temperature is favored to Janisa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So let me see if I am recording, if the recording is in process. Where is the recording option? Yeah, it's already in recording. Good. So I need to just share my screen. Yeah. So Le Chatelier principle states that when a system under stable conditions such as equilibrium is disturbed by changes in temperature, pressure, and concentration, the system will tend to nullify the effect of such a change by adjusting itself to a new equilibrium. For example, in the let us consider the effect of temperature. Okay, ma. There are two kinds of reactions depending on the heat, whether the heat is evolved in a reaction or whether the heat is absorbed in the reaction. The reactions wherein the heat is evolved are called exothermic reaction. Ah, Janisa, good evening.
Good
Am I
evening,
audible,
sir.
Janisa? I'm very sorry,
Yes,
there
sir.
is some problem with the connectivity. It's already 11 o'clock. By this time, you should at least by 11, you should go to bed. I'm very sorry. I'm even taking you at 12th hour. If the connectivity goes again, let us continue tomorrow. If the connectivity continues, we'll continue for the next 40 minutes. Do you agree, Janisa? Are you with me? Janisa, are you able to hear? Are you with me?